Hey y'all, it's Quoia Renae and I'm back with another video. So today I have cut my hair, guys. I wouldn't say it's a bob because it's not asymmetrical, it's not a blunt, it's just cut into short hair. It's cut into a short hairstyle. I'm gonna go in with my Issa 10 spray, and then I'm just gonna spray it all over my hair. Also, guys, this hair is from the beauty supply store. I got it from the beauty supply store for about 40 bucks. It's a 12-inch, and I cut it, and I tried to kind of make it blunt cutty. Not really blunt cut, but I tried to make it look kind of natural, like a wrap with my real hair. But I'm just going in with my tension brush and my babyless flat irons. These are babyless flat irons, guys. So don't ask in my comment section what kind of flat iron it is when I'm telling you. Unless you are listening to my video and not really listening, it's babyless flat iron. They get the job done. They get the job done, y'all. I know some of you may be like, well, why did she sew in beauty supply store hair? Well, initially it was supposed to just be a quick weave, but I decided just to sew it in because I'll be going out of town for work in a couple weeks, and I don't want to have to take my hair down and wash it. I want to be able to wash it. I don't want to have to take my hair down and be trying to restyle it just so I can go out of town. And also, guys, this is Empire hair from the beauty supply store, and it's actually some good quality beauty supply store. I've literally washed it, and I'm telling y'all, it still stays nice even when I wash it. I'm actually going to do a video and let you all know how my hair turns out washing beauty supply store hair. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can be tuned in for me washing my beauty supply store hair. Listen, if you still get your hair from the beauty supply store, ain't nothing wrong with that. Even if you're sewing it in, it's nothing wrong with that, honey. You gotta make it do what it do, honey. So I am just going to continue flat ironing my hair, guys. So next we're going to work on this leave out. I'm going to take this braid out that I had in, and then I am going to go in with some of that It's a 10 spray. I'm going to go back in with that product. The It's a 10 spray is actually a heat protectant. It's a shining spray. It's a leave-in conditioner, a lightweight leave-in conditioner, and it just makes your hair all the more beautiful, guys. I'm also going to take my Silver Bird blow dryer, and I'm just going to blow dry my hair so that I won't have to go in so many times with my flat iron. I can just do one pass because I'm blow drying my hair. As you all can see, the blow dryer pretty much gets the job done. It gets it straight, not as straight as possible, but you know it's going to get it straight so you won't have to keep going over your hair so many times. With your flat iron, you can just do one pass and keep it moving, honey. So next, this is the finished look once I've styled my, I'm just playing, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all see I'm gonna let y'all see how I styled my leave out. I just wanted to see how that little snap of finger thing works. But anyways, y'all, I went in with some of that Care. I actually have a tutorial on my channel already about how to properly blend in your leave out with your sew-ins, quick weaves. I have a tutorial on that already on my channel. So if you ask me any questions in my comment sections in regards to my leave out, please just refer to that video of how to blend in your leave out because it's on my channel. Also, if you all want to see that edge tutorial and leave out tutorial, I'm going to have those videos listed at the end of this video, so you can just click right on those videos. Right after you finish this video, you can click on that one. I also went ahead and did my edges off camera. Guys, I have a edge tutorial on my channel as well, so I'm not going to go into detail about how I slayed these edges. Y'all better get into these videos, honey. Subscribe and see that video. So don't ask me anything about these products as far as my leave out goes because you can refer to that video. The only product that I am going to mention is this Sebastian shaping spray. I don't think I've ever told you all about that spray, but I like that spray too because it's a hold spray. It's add shines and it takes away the flyaways. And this is pretty much the finished look, you all. I love you all so much. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Don't take it personal, y'all, that I'm telling you to refer to the other videos. It's just that, I mean, sis, if it's on my channel already, what you want me to do? But y'all just get into this look, honey. Yes, Quoia, yes. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, share, cut on that notification bell, and follow your girl on Instagram at Quoia_Renae. I'm talking about relay. Lord, who is relay? Quoia_Renae, y'all. Follow me. Love y'all. Bye. Mwah.